Hey guys, okay, so it is September 1st and it's time to announce the winner of the Cupcake Covertops giveaway. Excuse the craziness, but we had an 80s themed party for Kyle's birthday today, so I'm dressed weird because of that. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so the winner gets a free Cupcake Covertop in the flavor of their choice, which is awesome. So how I did this was I came and copied every single comment into OneNote, which is just an organizational program. Then I deleted every repeat entry and every question or comment or my responses, anything that wasn't an entry, and I got, there was 73 total actual entries. And the reason that these are numbered backwards is because I like number 1 to be the first person who commented. I go from the start instead of counting backwards, so like YouTube does. So this number 1 is the first person who entered. So there's 73 total. So now we're going to go to random.org, which is a true number generator. Alright. And over here, we just enter the number. We have 73. Let's see who the winner is. Number 34. Let's go see who number 34 is. Who's number 34? 34 is, let's see, it is Caribbean Martini. That is the winner. Make this bad boy bigger here. There we go. So there's the winner of the free Cupcake Covertop. So you totally win. Number 34. Alright, so I'm going to go make sure that she followed all the rules and left comments and all of that. And as long as she did, you won! Woohoo! So you will be getting the Black Forest Cake Cupcake Covertop. Yay, congratulations!